Today, we're taking a closer look at a sleek and practical business laptop from Asus, the ExpertBook P1503CVA. Let's find out if this machine is the perfect balance of performance and productivity. Starting with the design, the ExpertBook P1 comes in a clean misty grey finish with a minimal, professional look. The chassis is lightweight but feels solid, perfect for professionals or students who need something reliable and portable. This model packs the Intel Core i5-13420H, a 13th Gen CPU with 8 cores and 12 threads, clocking up to 4.6 GHz. It's paired with 8 GB of DDR5 RAM and a fast 512 GB NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD. For day-to-day productivity, multitasking, and even light content creation, this setup is more than capable. The onboard Intel UHD Graphics. It features a 15.6-inch Full HD anti-glare display with a wide viewing angle and 300 nits of brightness, good enough for office use, browsing, and some casual media consumption. The 87% screen-to-body ratio gives it a modern look, though the color gamut at 45% NTSC. The 720p HD webcam. The privacy shutter especially important for security-conscious users. In terms of connectivity, the Asus P1 is well equipped. 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A. 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C with power delivery and display output. HDMI 1.4. 3.5mm combo jack. RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet. It also has Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring fast and stable wireless connections. The chiclet keyboard is comfortable, with good key travel, and there's a fingerprint sensor integrated into the touchpad for secure, easy login. Unity Systems Solutions.